Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can use HubSpot for email marketing, so let's get right into it. Now, you have two main ways of email marketing. The first is, of course, creating your leads or your marketing campaigns to send to your leads, and the other one is newsletters, which you will set up and send to your customers, clients, leads, whoever they are, and in that way expand your marketing scheme. Now, the way that you're going to do this is you're going to go into the marketing tab. You can use campaigns. However, as you can see, I do not have the Marketing Hub Professional package, so I cannot use them. The other thing that you can do is you can play ads and post forms so that you get the contact information for your leads, and then once they give you their contact information, usually their email, which is needed for an email campaign, then you can go ahead and set up your emails. You just go into the email tab, and from here you're going to create the email that best fits you. Now, here you have your email tools, which you can use to better set up everything else, but you can also create an email which you can send to your clients. Now, as you can see, you can create a regular one or a blog. You also have automated if you have a premium package, but I'm just going to go with the regular one and show you guys how you can create it. You just select that and click next. Here you can select a template. You can start from scratch. However, I do like newsletters the best. I'm going to select this one because it's the only free template you have. This is paid for, and there are only 2 newsletter templates for some reason, and you have the start from scratch option as well, so I'm just going to go for the standard newsletter. And once you get there, then you need to customize your email. Of course, you're going to have some placeholder items here, but you can add any thing that you want from the toolbar to the left. And then once you add everything, you can add the company logo, you can add the rest of the worksheet or the rest of the newsletter email, and then you can go on and set up your settings. Go into settings, and here you can set up anything else you might need, such as the subject line, which you do need. So I'm just going to add a test subject line. I'm going to name it test 1. You're going to have some preview text, which I'm going to just name test. You have the international email name, which I'm not going to add, and you have the language settings and the subscription type, as well as you need to enter the office location to send this. I don't have this, so I can't add this, but it is what it is. You can also add some plain text if you want, and then that is pretty much it. You can also select to use this address you're using as the reply to address. Then you can send it or schedule the sending. Just select which recipients you want to send it to. You can send it to a certain list of contacts which you would like. For example, you can import a list of contacts from here, or you can create a new one. Depends on your wishes. Just select your recipients. You can select which recipients not to send to, and then you can check this off to not send to unengaged contacts. And then you can also automate the process if you want. I won't do that since it is a paid for feature. Then just click review and send, and as you can see, the company name and address is needed, and that is pretty much all you need to do. Once you're done, you can just preview it and send it to whoever you added as the contact, and that is basically all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.